Hi guys, my name is Colin Sokafo and I work as a Fifo civil engineer in Australia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the life of a Fifo civil engineer in Australia working in different mine sites. I usually wake up by 3:30 and I prepare for breakfast. I shower, of course, prepare for breakfast, which starts by 4 a.m. So here I am walking to the dry mess for my breakfast. You can see it's still very early in the morning. Everyone is just popping out and going to have breakfast. So here we are having our breakfast. Breakfast is usually very warm and nice. I don't really take breakfast, but on this particular day, because of this video, I just took a little breakfast, just to show you guys what breakfast looks like. So this is what we call the dry mess. Everyone is sitting around having their breakfast, or breaky as they always call it. So this is what I'm having, just a little egg and whatever, just to have something in my belly. Usually I don't eat in the morning. So after that, I make my way to the parking lot where my colleague picks me up. We usually drive off to work by 5 a.m. so we could get to work by 5:30 a.m. for the pre-start. So this is us driving to work now. The sceneries are very beautiful here in Western Australia. The roads are so beautiful. The mine sites is beautiful, and the location is in the middle of nowhere, so there's no traffic. You can see once you start seeing the lights, then you are very close to the mine. The lights are beautiful coming from the mine, as you can see. So we keep driving. Then we get to the gate where we have to check in our work ID and do all our breatho tests and every other checks that you need to do at the gate of the mine. So here we are having our pre-start now. So the pre-start starts by 5:30 a.m. and is about safety and work for the day. After the pre-start, I head back to the office and prepare for the first client meeting, which is by 6:45 a.m. So this is my map for the first client meeting, looking very nice and tidy. I have to tell the clients our works for the day and what we plan to achieve for the day. After that, I head back to the office and I start the main task of the day, which takes me about 3 hours to complete. So this is the production tracking of the previous day. It involves lots of calculation, lots of interpolation, lots of people's management, lots of resource management, lots of recordings. I usually start these tasks by 7 a.m. and I ensure I complete by 10 a.m. I take my time to do these tasks because it's a very critical task. All the numbers you are putting in, all the calculations you are making, all the recordings you are doing has to be on point and has to be the right information, because as the engineer on site, the entire project depends on you, and the clients, they depend on you for the right information, and also the manager as well. So you have to take your time to ensure that you are doing the right thing and that your accuracy is on point. So I take my time to do this every day. Then after this, I go to site for inspection. This is the most interesting part of my day because I enjoy driving around site and observing how the work is being done. I enjoy watching the excavators and on the operators doing their thing on site and how the machines are moving around on site. Sometimes I just relax and I observe the work according to the design that I have, and I call on the radio as well to give instructions, or I talk to the supervisors and tell them what I want to be done on site. Because I'm the engineer, of course, I have to work according to the design and specifications. So I do this every day. Here in Western Australia, there are so many flies in WA, and it's 45 degrees and it's very hot. So the flies are always perching around looking for water to sip from your body. Towards the close of work hour, which is by 5:30 p.m. in the evening, I take my time to drive around site to ensure that all the jobs for the day was well accounted for. And this will also help me for my production for the next day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.